Hi there, students. A cache. A cache. A cache is a hidden store of things. So, for example, a terrorist group might have an arms cache. You could have a cache of explosives as well. A cache can also be the place where these things are hidden. Okay, so a cache. You can also use this word cache, both countable and uncountable, in computing. It's a type of memory which is easy to access, and it means you can temporarily store data, and you get to get access to it very easily. Okay, so to cache, to put something in a hidden place, in a safe place. There's even a game called geocaching. Which is a treasure hunting game where you hide containers called caches or geocaches in various different places, and you've got to find them. It sounds a bit like orienteering to me. Yeah, it's just a posh name for it. Yeah, and you have the GPS coordinates of things, and you go looking for these hidden geocaches. They're at different coordinates all over the world. Okay, so a cache, a store of things that are hidden away for the future, which can be got back rapidly. So I guess a squirrel has caches of nuts hidden all over the place for winter. Yeah, or maybe if you're going on an expedition to a really difficult place, for example the South Pole, maybe you're going to leave some food caches in various places so that if you have problems later, you can retrieve this food. Okay, so a cache, a hiding place, a hidden store of goods. Yeah. The family were very worried about the end of the world coming. What are these preppers? And preppers maybe have caches of food and different things hidden in different places. Yeah, I think maybe you could find a cache of gold coins that was hidden 1,000 years ago by somebody who wanted to hide them from the enemy. Yeah, so a cache, or to cache, is to hide something away in order to be able to access it later. Yeah, so it's a hidden storage for money, for provisions, for weapons, for all sorts of things. Yeah, it's a secret stash. Yeah, it's something hidden away. Okay, so it's effectively a hidden store. The police found a cache of stolen goods, or maybe a cache of drugs that had been hidden away by a group of criminals. Okay, so to cache, to stash, to bury, to hide somewhere. Let's see, a cache, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality, on the formal side, but I think you could probably use just about anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from the French verb cacher, cacher, meaning to hide something. And yeah, a cache is something that's been hidden. It's been hidden away so that you can't find it. Okay, so a cache, a store of something that may be required in the future, and you can get it quite easily, but it's hidden or protected so that people don't know it's there. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cash.